welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Happy New Year twist pop card. It looks like this. We did a belly band because it's so thick. Happy New Year! So easy. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make the card. In addition to this, you're going to need a corner rounding tool for this card because you're going to round a lot of the corners. A couple Sizzix nesting stars for the front, a sentiment, and a bunch of stars to add to the actual card. Let's get started. We're going to start as usual with some scoring. Your base card is 11 inches by 4¼ inches. You're going to score at 5½. For your 2026 twist and pop section, it's 8 by 2½. I'm scoring at 2, 4, and 6. For the mechanism to make it pop out, it's 8 by 2. I'm scoring at 1 on the 2 side. Before I fold and burnish, I'm going to make some marks on the mechanism and get some diagonal score lines. You're going to mark 3 and 5 on each side. Grab yourself a scoring tool and score from 3 to 5 and 3 to 5. Ensure that your X crosses this line, and now we can fold and burnish. So we have all our pieces folded and burnished. To fold your mechanism, you're going to hold it like this, push these inside, and then bring it together like so. Every single time I've done this, I've gotten a little bit of an extra piece here, so we're going to cut that off. And now we're equal. Now that we have all the parts of the card, I'm going to design the front of the card and the layers for the inside, then we're going to put everything together. You have 3 gold pieces that are 4 by 5¼ and 3 pearlized pieces that are 1 is 4 and 5¼ and that's for the front, and these 2 are 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and these are for the inside. So we're going to put these aside and grab this. This is the exact same size, and we want it to be that way because we're going to layer it, and we're going to do a cutout in this that you can see the gold through. So you're going to put the gold aside and put this down. I want you to grab your stars. Whatever sentiment you have, make sure and put it in so you will know that you're not cutting into a sentiment with your star. And grab the other star and put it on the inside like so. So we're making an offset star. This looks good to me. I'm going to stick it down so that we can cut it with our Big Shot machine. You're going to keep this and grab your star that you cut out in a different color to make the inside of this star a little bit shiny. Line it up with this star and snip off this piece here. I'm going to emboss this with this beautiful embossing folder. Look how gorgeous that looks. I've cut Celebrate out twice to give it a bit of a shadow so you can see it a little better. Because if you put this on this, I mean, you can see it, but it looks better if it has a little shadow at the back. That looks really nice. I'm going to put foam tape at the back of these 2 pieces. I've got the back of all of these layered, so I'm going to take off the backing of my foam tape now. And I'm going to stick this directly onto the front of this gold piece. I'm going to stick on my Celebrate. And I'm going to add some gorgeous stars coming up the side. I'm happy with how this looks, and this is the front of our card, so I'm going to put this aside. Now we're going to bring in our display for 2026. Always remember the middle section needs to be coming up and the front section's going back. So keep it where the middle section comes up, and we're going to decorate this side of the paper. What we're going to do before we decorate the paper is we're going to round the edges. I think it gives it a really beautiful effect. So we're going to use the 10mm side of a corner rounding tool and round all the edges of this to round. The middle section is just folding and rounding. That's it. Remember, middle up, and we're going to put this down, and now we're going to round the edges of all of these. Once you finish rounding all the ends, you're going to just throw away all your trash, and we're going to design this. I am going to take a moment and emboss this to match the front of the card. Look at that, amazing. And now we're going to decorate this. So you open this. I'm going to add one of these on this layer, like so. And you're adding all the rest, just like this. And now you're going to add these, just like that. And we're adding our numbers. Perfect. So we're going to just put this aside up here. And now we're going to bring our base card, and we're going to decorate the base card. First thing we're going to do with the base card is we're going to put the front on top of it. Now we're going to open this and layer the inside. Right, so we're going to stick this onto this, and then these two onto this. So the card looks like this. And now we're going to add the 2026. I printed some fireworks, and I'm going to stick it at the top here. And now we're going to stick in our feature for our card. Before we stick this, I want to remove, it's going to be stuck like this and open like this. We're sticking the bottom part of this one and the top part of this one. So I'm going to remove the top part of this and the bottom part of this. And this is how you remove it. You're going to cut from here to here, and then from here to here, like that. And then on the other side. Now I'm going to stick it down like so. You're going to put glue at the bottom here. Make sure I get it all the way to the ends and here as well. This is going to be stuck directly in the middle. So you're going to mark 2 1/8 and stick this directly at your 2 1/8 mark. Then make sure that bottom is stuck down there perfectly first. And then I'm going to open it and have this side stuck down as well. I'm going to turn it around and make sure my score lines are lined up. And they are. Now when you close, this is just closed like this. Perfect. So now it should be opening perfectly like this. Now let's get this ready to be stuck down. I want you to take this and measure 1 1/4 and 1 1/4. Draw a line. So we're going to also measure 1/8 of an inch under here and 1/8 of an inch above here. And this is just to inform you where you're going to put your glue. You don't want to put glue where glue isn't supposed to be. So if you look at where it's going to be stuck, it's just that area is where you're going to put glue. So now you can put glue all over this side here, the bottom of the 2 and the top of the 6. I'm going to open it and stick this to the bottom of the 2 like so. And one time stick this to the top of the 6 like so, making sure it reaches the half. Right. And we're going to let those dry. I'm going to physically hold this down for it to dry, making sure we have it on that line. You see it's on the line perfectly, on the line perfectly. And while it's drying, we can continue decorating our card. Now this should be dry. You should be able to close this and a twist and close like so. It looks so amazing. See how that closed perfectly? Because this card is so thick, we're going to add a belly band to the card. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this Twist Pop 2026 Happy New Year card. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends, and Happy New Year! Choo, 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 choo. That's fireworks. No? Bye guys.